Man, the man is killing us, man.
Over. Funa bulungi.
Bless the bomb, hapa.
Kiachari chikwafu katusoke tusapuleko.
Drop the bomb, man.
If you have enjoyed, please support. We also have a Kickstarter.
Nigga, that's a whole strap.
No hood.
That's a whole strap.
No hood.
That is a whole RPG.
Get out of my building.
Nigga,
Get out of my building. Get out of my building. Get out of my building.
Nigga, that's a whole...
Yeah.
I'm getting rich and I ain't no bitch. That's it right there. Oh yeah. Let me get that. I'm back in this bitch. I'm back in this bitch with my main bitch, like Lilo and Stitch. I'm getting rich and I ain't no bitch. Oh yeah. That's kind of long. It might be a little deep. Hey, run that back one more time. I'm back in this bitch. 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 Wrap it up.
Okay? Some of you guys can shoot, but you're slow as fuck. Alright? So the thing is this. You need to get out of the mindset of doing this. This is old school shit, right? Get into the more mindset that you're standing here. I'm talking.
Fuck you. You don't
need to have that shit. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to have this one or have to have that one. One I recommend, yeah, the only one you fucking recommend because they're fucking paying you to recommend. Okay? At the end of the day.
Hello, Jose Mukampala. Waliwo kyenda be kya glasses wanswamu kyembankuba. Target confirmed. Target confirmed. Target yagulabiddwako. Enyonyi agirina. Tugenda maaso. Bino, wai.
Take the charge for me. If you fuck with me, take a bullet for me. If you fuck with me, lie about it on the stand. If you really down, take 10 for me. If you want the crown, set that nigga up. If you fuck with me, bang all red. If you really down.
Bro, what are you doing? This is not romantic.
What the fuck is you talking about, nigga? It's not supposed to be romantic to you. It's supposed to be romantic to the ride or die bitches, nigga. What the fuck is this nigga talking about? It's romantic to you? Alright, then nigga, want to be, nigga, I'm the rapper, nigga. What the fuck is this nigga talking about, man? Come on. Shit. Cook it up for me. In the kitchen. The cops come run and start getting it. They bout to catch it. Shit, flush it. Flush it. Start busting. Ops come in, you start busting. And after you done, we start fucking. Suck my...
Bro. Come on now. You know it's not romantic.
What the fuck is you talking about, nigga? It's romantic. What the fuck is this nigga? Hey, this nigga not trying to make no money. Come on. Come on, before I hit this nigga, man. Bitch, I'll knock your motherfucking top like this shit not romantic. Nigga not trying to make no money, nigga. Come on, man. What the fuck is this nigga talking about? Cut the shit off. I gotta cut the shit the fuck off.
What is it?
Bro, what is he doing? Damn, he's messing up my new single, bro. That's what I'm saying. I'm not gonna be able to get a new chain when niggas rap like this on my single.
So what you gonna do then? Come on tomorrow. Let's do it tomorrow.
Bro, I know, bro. We already paid the nigga and everything. You think we can get Drake? Because if Drake, we can put Drake.
Drake same song.
That's what I'm saying. If we go third, they'll bypass his trash ass shit and they'll listen to Drake next.
Drake is like 200K for a verse at least.
200K for a verse?
At least. That's Drake, bro.
Come on, bro. That's how much I paid for this, bro. I'm not paying that for no nigga, bro. Bro, call that nigga right now, bro. He got me fucked up, bro. Shouldn't know I should've got the nigga for the single, bro. You messing up everybody's song. Why would I get him, bro? Why is he a rapper? Hey, bro, that verse you sent? Hey, you gonna have to come harder, bro. I ain't really feeling that, bro. Bro, like, come on, I paid you for that, bro. This my new single, bro. Please, come on, man. You got to do something, bro. You got to... How you got another one ready already?
Yeah, I already got one ready. It's all good. I got you.
Bro, I don't know about that, but I have a verse already ready.
I don't know, bro. Just
It's already here. Let's see.
play that out, bro. Ain't no switching, bitch. Yeah, ain't no switching. Ain't no switching.
Yeah, we do. Yeah, I'm back. Like he knew. Reeves, nigga.
Right.
Yeah, like the dude from the Matrix. Yeah, reloaded. Yeah, you
Damn,
know.
bro.
Yeah, I got my guns out like I'm John Wick. Yeah, nigga.
Oh. Can't keep my dick in my pants. My bitch don't love me no more. Ay, she give me out like bro. That bitch don't wanna be friends. Ay, I give her this, she a man. Ay, she put her 10 on my dick. Ay, you got my wrist in my face. Just put the front of the booth. Ay, but that shit straight to the booth. Ay, my hip with the boost. Ay, she said one fuck, bitch, I do. I put a hole in your parents. Ay, I think I need my smoothies. Ay, I got a Uzi, no Uzi. Fuck me, look at me. Ay, fuck on me, yeah. Look at me, look at me. Look at me, yeah. Fuck on me, yeah. Look at me, yeah. Fuck on me, look at me. Fuck on me, yeah. Fuck on me, yeah. Ay. Tell these fuck niggas vote me up, pipe up. Hey, shouts out Benz and now. That little bitch got a throat, fuck. I like a brother, I'm next fit. My emo bitch like a wrist slit. Telling her bitch like I'm born. Got like 3 bitches, I'm more. Man, still on your man, but you fuck. Don't want your pussy, just one. Look at me, fuck on me. Look at me, fuck on me. Look at me, fuck on me. Look at me, yeah. Look at me, fuck on me. Look at me, fuck on me. Look at me, fuck on me. Look at me, yeah.
Ugandan get to Air Force. The man is killing us, man. Bless the bomb up. Drop the bomb, man. Commando! Commando!
If you have enjoyed, please support. We also have a Kickstarter.
Bitch, yeah, ain't no switching, yeah. Ain't no switching, bitch. Yeah, ain't no switching, ain't no switching.
Tired of dealing with you lame ass hoes. You can get hit with a
Bitch, yeah, ain't no switching, yeah. Ain't no switching, bitch. Yeah, ain't no switching, ain't no switching.
Tired of dealing with you lame ass hoes. You can get hit with a
I'm in the foreign. I'm switching lane.
Oh, bitch.
Ain't playing no game.
Get over here.
In the fast lane. I'm on the gas. I'm about to crash.
Boom. Oh, that nigga crashed. Hey, somebody call an ambulance.
What are you doing?
What you talking about?
Those is not ad-libs. Get out of here. Get out of here. Hey, next up for real. Go on. Hey, next up for real. I went from rags to riches. Yeah. I fuck the baddest bitches. Shit. I am not average, nigga. Ball like, hey, what are you doing, nigga? They can't hear me rap. What are you doing?
Oh, my bad. It's just like when you see it fine, you know, my bad. I got it.
Ball like the Mavericks, nigga. Dirt. Don't let
Damn, Dirk don't play. I mean, Luka. Doncic. Luka.
Hey, get out of here, bro. Watch out. Get out. Days on my feet. Grinding all week. I cannot sleep. Y'all niggas weak. I got the heat.
He got the heat. Stay in the street. Oh, the nigga just said that? That's a bet, bro. He better eat this hoe. He has to eat this hoe, bro.
Rolling down like I just bought a segment. These niggas watching me like a let's play.
Hey, that's Twitch.
In the surfboard, I'm on the next way. I can out-rap these niggas on their best day. Pull up to the block. Fresh in the shot. All charged up. Call me static shot. Can take him to the dock. Drop his body off. Now he's sleeping with the shark.
That hoe was hard as a bitch, but he brought up Static Shock. I used to watch that shit on Cartoon Network all the time.
I don't think his shit was as good as mine, though. To be honest, he need to redo that shit.
What? Man, that nigga shit was live than yours.
Not live than yours. I meant like
if we keep it a buck, he really wasn't talking about nothing. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, that's a normal ass verse, bro.
that's truly on that. Yeah, I thought you was on that.
Look, this Mr. Double XL, bro. Like, come on, that's shit.
Yeah, bro. Tell that nigga redo this shit, bro. Text for it.
Get that nigga up.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, his shit was better than yours, for real.
Yeah, that's me. That's me. You gotta tell that nigga. That's me.
No, I think we're just getting started.
ntuuse mu Kampala. Waliwo kyendaba ekya glasses wansi wano kyemba nkuba. Target confirmed. Target confirmed. Target egulabiddwako. Ennyonyi agirina. Tugenda maaso. Bino, wai. Uganda. Fire, fire. Nabemundu. Non-stop deadly actions. Movie. Just watch. Mafia. Let me get through. Let me, Commander. He's hit.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Ababanda bakizibu. Hello. Alaka.
Master G, who's the next now?
Action packed movie. Tunulira. Alaka. Ugandan kiss.